How to add labels to your personal WhatsApp account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add labels to your personal WhatsApp account. So if you were using to your WhatsApp business account, you might be noticing there were labels for different types of categories under your WhatsApp business application. So just like that, you can also edit similarly, but not exactly, but you can also edit your labels like your friends. For example, you have a friends of your work. In this condition, let's say I have this friend for my work or my homework. You can just chat with only that particular person, or you can highlight that particular person for you reminding that that person is for your work or your homework. So just tap on this plus icon over here. So let me just select your work. Let me just select homework over here, and I'll just add a people and click on this person over here and just click on next. And just like that, that person will be selected as your homework partner or whatever you list your label as. So that is exactly how you can easily create your label to identify different types of people on your personal WhatsApp account. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.